Good morning everyone. In today's maths class, the chapter is multiplication. All of you take out your course book, page number 54. Course book, page number 54. All of you once look at here. For example, I am taking three double digit number with single digit number. Double digit number with single digit number. Multiplications. See here. Whenever we start multiplication, we have to start from ones place and goes to tens place. Ones place and tens place. First of all, we have to multiply with ones place and again we goes to tens place. 2 twos are 4. 4 in ones place. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. So 32 into 2 is 64. See here, double digit number with a double digit multiplications. For example, 22. For example, 22. This is ones place and this is tens place. See here, first of all from ones place we have to multiply 2 into 2, 2 into 3. And again 2 into 2, again 2 into 3. 2 twos are 4. 4 in ones place. 2 threes are 6. 6 in tens place. This is the number in which place, ma? Ones place. So ones place is completed. So we have to put 1 into mark here. 1 into mark here. The number in this place where this is in the place of tens. This is in the place of tens. So tens place. We have to start from tens place. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. We have to add now. 4 carry out. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry out. 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6. It is 7. See another example with double digit into double digit multiplication. 42 into 21. 42 into 21. This is the place ones and this is the place tens. We have to multiply 1 with ones place and again with tens place. See here. 1 twos are 2. 1 fours are 4. 1 twos are 2. 1 fours are 4. Ones place is completed. So we have to put 1 into mark. It is tens place. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. We have to add now. 2 carry out. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 carry out. So 42 into 21 is 882. Like that, 3 digit number with single digit number. 3 digit number with single digit number. This is the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. You have to multiply with ones, tens and again with hundreds. 1 fives are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. See here 15. 5 is in the place of tens. 1 is in the place of tens. So here tens place we are writing 5. Ones place is the again tens place is there na. 1 is there, right? We have to carry out here up in the top of 3. In the top of 3. 3 fives are 15. Again 3 fives are 15. We have to add this number now. 3 fives are 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So 6 in the place of hundreds, 1 in the place of thousands. See the next one. 772 into 2. 772 into 2. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 2 twos are 4. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 4 means we have to write in the tens place. 1 carry out to hundreds place. 2 sevens are or 7 twos are 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15. 5 in the hundreds place, 1 is in the thousands place. Again next sum. 365 into 1. 5 ones, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 3s are 3. 3-digit number with a double digit number multiplication. See here, 322 into 21 into 21. In the top sums, see here, double digit with double digit. So ones, tens, like that here, ones, tens and hundreds. We have to multiply with ones, tens and again with hundreds. This number is also with ones, tens and hundreds. See here, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2 and again 1 3s are 3. Ones place is completed. So we have to put 1 into mark. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. How much more? 2 3s are 6. We have to add now. We have to do addition here. 2 carry out. 2 plus 4. It is 6. 3 plus 4. It is 7. 6 carry out. So 322 into 21 is 6762. 6762. And again see the next example. 542 into 25. 542 into 25. See here, 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry out to tens place. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are how much? 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. 1 down here. 2 carry out to hundreds place. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2. 25 plus 2 is 22. We have to write the 22 here. Ones place completed. Again, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. We have to add the number. We have to add 0 carry out. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 8. It is 10. 1 carry out to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 carry out. So 542 into 25 is 13,050. 13,050. See the next example, all of you. 722 into 13. 1 3 13. See the example now. 3 2s are 6 and again 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. 1 in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place. So 1's place is completed. Now we have to go for tens place. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are again 2. 1 7s are 7. We have to add all these. 6 plus nothing. Here we have to carry out down. 6 carry out. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. So 722 into 13 is 9,386. 9,386. 9,386. All of you now see 4-digit number with single digit numbers. 4-digit number with single digit number multiplication. I am taking 1234 into 2. 1234 into 2. See here, we have to start from ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. See the next example, all of you. 2222 into 4. Into 4. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have to multiply with ones, tens, hundreds and thousands places. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Again 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. And again 4 twos are 8. So 2222 is multiplied with 4 is 8888. 8888. Now see the next example. 5230. 5230 into 4. Into 4. This is the ones place. This is tens, hundreds and thousands. 0, 4 zeros are, or 0 fours are. 4 zeros are 0. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 2 here, 1 carry out to hundreds place. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 fives are 20. 0 is in thousands place, 2 is in 10,000s place. So 5230 is multiplied with 4. The product is 20,920. What is the answer? 20,920. Now all of you take out your maths workbook page number 34. Maths workbook page number 34. See here, what is the first sum? 4,568 into 4. From which place we have to start? From ones place. 4 8s are 32. 2 is in the ones place. 8 3 carry out to tens place. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 27. 7 here. 2 carry out to hundreds place. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 2 is in the hundreds place. And again 2 carry out to thousands place. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. 8 in the thousands place and 1 in 10,000s place. Again 5 threes are 15. 1 carry out. 5 sevens are 35 plus 1 36. 6 here. 3 carry out. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 3 48. 4 carry out. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 4 14. 4 in the place of thousands. 1 is in the place of 10,000s. See the next one. 5,869 into 3. 5,869 into 3. Again, 3 nines are 27. 7 is in the ones place. 2 carry out to tens place. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 20. 0 is in the tens place. 2 carry out to hundreds place. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2 26. 6 in the place of hundreds. 2 carry out to thousands place. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 7 is in the place of thousands. 1 is in the place of 10,000s. See the next one. 7,132 into 8. 7,132 into 8. 8 twos are 16. 1 carry out to tens place. 8 threes are 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. 5 in the place of tens. 2 is in the place of hundreds. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 2. It is 10. 0 is in the place of hundreds. 1 carry out to thousands place. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 1. 57. 7 is carry out to thousands place. 5 carry outs to 10,000s place. Okay. Now from this sum to this sum is the homework. And in work activity book page number 37. Activity book, page number 37. Do these remaining 6 sums. Do these remaining 6 sums. Okay, children, we can continue in the next class.